If Willy Wonka was coming on regular TV, it was appointment television. You only knew about it because it was in TV Guide or in the local newspaper. And everybody was like, make sure you're there. And you had to watch it. You had to watch it with commercials. It was sitting around, a 19-inch, TV.
Remember when you got a video? Well, you may not remember that. We got a video recorder. We recorded
VCR.
We recorded everything.
Yeah.
We just recorded 2 or 3 hours in the afternoon when we weren't there because it was so,
I like to think that my bar mitzvah might be one of the earliest, significant things on video. It's the only advantage I have over my siblings because when they both had theirs, it didn't exist. Mine came in time, 1984.
Do you have it?
I do.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
You can watch me. My voice hadn't changed yet.
Hear you.
I had a full head of hair.
This has become a very ethnic episode, but
I think it might have been the pastrami and the corned beef
Yeah, my
contributing
parents
to
didn't
that.
pop for the videographer.
You were bar
I don't
mitzvah?
think they're.
I was.
Yes, he
Was it all English when you did it?
No, it was not.
I have a hard time picturing you saying anything in Hebrew.
I couldn't do it. Not shalom.
Remember, I had my father and mother invited a lot of judges and lawyers to my bar mitzvah because my dad, dealt with these people. It was like a business opportunity.
And say these people.
And over the years, these people, judges and lawyers, and over the years, I can't tell you how many people have come up to me and said, I'm Catholic, but I was at your bar mitzvah, and it was like the worst bar mitzvah because they would all go to the few bar mitzvahs from Jewish friends of theirs. It was terrible.
What, literally, people will come up to you just to tell you how much they hated your bar mitzvah? Years later, strangers on the street?
They would tell me how much they liked me first. But
why was your bar mitzvah particularly bad?
Because
What did they cite?
Actually, see, Andy didn't go to Hebrew school, right?
I did too.
Where? Did you actually?
I did.
Oh, I had
Not for long, but I did go.
Yeah.
That came about 6 months before my bar mitzvah and tried to teach me enough to make it through a bar mitzvah.
Did you have an earpiece in and they were just feeding you the Jewish lines?
No, for some reason, I learned how to read Hebrew very slowly. I had no idea what it meant, which I think back at that time wasn't
I think that was pretty common.
I think it's still common. If they don't give you the English, nobody knows what you're saying.
You didn't speak or read Hebrew
I can
and understand
sing
what
you
they were
my
saying.
Haftorah right now.
Right, but you don't know what any of the
tell
words.
you what it means.
Right.
No.
Yeah, I had the same thing.
Can you give us any of your Haftorah? That's for those of you who don't know. That's the
no.
main portion of Hebrew that you do at your
I could
bar
give you
mitzvah.
nothing.
Not even the opening
Nothing.
line. Can you give me the opening line of yours?
I can do one thing. Baruch atah Adonai
No,
Eloheinu
that
everything.
doesn't count. That's the beginning of
Hebrew.
every
That's
prayer.
the start of everything.
Every
in
prayer
Hebrew.
starts the
Although
same
I
way.
did
That's
know
not your
this.
I bet you
Haftorah.
nobody else out here can do it. Can any
no
of you
other
do what I
Jews.
just
I'm
did?
looking at a room. I'm looking at a
yeah.
room of Gentiles.